Another common strategy that I want you to become familiar with is buy and hold, whether it's the BRRRR method or they're buying with 20% down or whatever it is, it's buy and hold. They're holding these things for the long term, the cash flow, the appreciation, all the reasons we talk about. And I want you to become familiar with this because these people's motivations are going to be different than your fixer and flippers. They might be able to buy something that is a little bit tighter on margin because they're looking at the end game for the property, right? And they're gonna have a different set of criteria. So it's really, really important to understand what your investors want. And we go through that when we talk about working with new investors and even experience. But buy and hold, it's a great strategy. Now, I'm bringing that up to tell you this: whatever your motivation is to get into wholesaling, to build up capital, pay off debt, fix your credit, whatever it is, if that's why you're here, I want you to understand that the end game for this is to be able to buy and hold and source your own deals. Because take it from somebody like me, I've done thousands and thousands of transactions, and my biggest regret was not using wholesaling as the tool that I'm going to teach you and not using it sooner to buy and source my own deals. I've wholesaled away millions and millions of dollars worth of equity in appreciation in properties. And I don't want you to fall for that same thing. So throughout this course, throughout the training, throughout everything, I'm going to kind of circle back and, remind you, look, this is a tool. So whether you want to use it for vertical integration to source your own deals, that's incredible. Or you need to use this tool to pay off debt and fix your credit or whatever it is. Use it for just that. But then let's shift our mindset to becoming a business owner and understanding that we can buy and we can keep these once we knock out whatever is we think is holding us back. Because I can promise you, you're not that far off from being able to buy and hold these deals. And that's what I'm going to help you figure out and get done.